बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप देख रहे हैं मीडिया पॉइंट 07।
The business community of Upper Sindh region. This region, sir, if I may add, this is in our country's geography, this is called Upper Sindh region, and Sukkur is its center. So we have always tried for the betterment of business community of the Upper Sindh region, and we always try and lobby the government not only for business opportunities, but also we have time and again worked to highlight and resolve infrastructure, educational, health and other social causes of our home, that is Sukkur and this region. So since we are located at the confluence of three provinces from the border of southern Punjab, Balochistan till the mid part of us, because most of the, hence it gives us the geographical uniqueness that Alhamdulillah no other chamber enjoys in Pakistan.
Before visiting here, after arrival in Sukkur today afternoon, I visited our Korean construction company. They are engaging in the construction of children hospital. This hospital was now is under construction by funding of our Korean EDCF funding program, and so it is very meaningful project so in the state for your residents here in Sukkur for this children Paris. Now it is it is going successfully, and maybe this Korean hospital and this children hospital can be completed until by end of this year, and maybe next year the Pakistani children can be treated in this hospital. It is very meaningful, very good cooperation, symbolic cooperation between your country and my nation. It's very today this was very meaningful visit for me. And my second visit is IBA University. So I was really impressed by a wonderful university campus and a very ambitious aim of this university. I'm sure this university has a really good academic potential in the future. And it's really campus is very nice, and the faculty members are very ambitious, very good plan. So I am sure that your university in Sukkur was really in the future. It's a very successful model. So I'm sure I was really good impressed. And you are also President Mr. Mir today after my arrival in hotel, and so thank you for your great hospitality. And he has hosted me and my colleague to a wonderful lunch in hotel. So really, I'm very thankful for your hospitality. And I was accompanied by him on this Korean construction company and this IBA University. And once again on this occasion, I just want to express my sincere gratitude to your engagement, to your this heartfelt cooperation.